So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how anybody watching this can copy and paste multi-million, even billion-dollar software companies in a day and be able to sell some of their exact same products as soon as tomorrow without having to be any bit tech savvy or write a single line of code. And if you actually do start and execute everything I show you in this video, it can change your finances for the rest of your fucking life. First, go to this software called High Level. This company actually created a library full of pre-built software products, features, tools, and solutions that are all proven to scale past multiple 5 figures per month and can be of benefit to a number of industries and niches. For example, they have AI agents in their software to replace employees, answer phone calls and text messages for business owners using AI. They have social media marketing integrations to help business owners drive more traffic throughout all of their social media pages on autopilot. They also have a website and paid advertisement template library that business owners could come in, customize, edit with AI, and launch. But here is where the money is actually made. So High Level software is something called white label. So you can actually upload your own logo and domain name on their software, change the colors, branding, and everything else in between. And then you can actually resell any of these software products as your very own for 100% profit. All you have to do is take the tabs off for the features that you don't want to sell. Then go and get yourself a website around what your software solution actually provides. And then build the skill set of any of these proven outreach methods right here to promote your website link and get users on your software. The reason why this is so profitable is because for every single user you get on your software, they could be paying you hundreds of dollars a month, even thousands in monthly recurring subscription-based income. So it's as passive money as anybody could ever ask for. And I've already had thousands of people sign into my 100% free course on how to start and execute this business model. If you want it, just comment the word software and I'll send it to you.